So hello guys, welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how you can create this crazy text effect inside of Kinemaster. So let's start. So first of all, I am in Kinemaster. I'm taking a black background and increase the duration to almost 10 seconds. And now add a new text layer. Here I'm writing Masura as my channel name, and you can also change the font. First I'm aligning in the center, and now I'm changing the font to League Gothic. It's a very crazy text, I know. So when we change the font, now we need to go in animation, and we need to keep the in animation to wipe right and 1.5 second duration. And now go in layer, click on effects and click on basic effect and add Gaussian blur. Now decrease the size of Gaussian blur up to the character size and click on key option, and now move a few frames ahead. Now cover the first letter which is appearing and cover it with the Gaussian blur. Click on add, then go one more frame ahead and change the position of the Gaussian blur to another character, and do this until the animation finishes. Here the animation finishes. Now we need to add one more effect. No, wait 1 second. Now click on Gaussian blur, click on shape and increase the feather full to 50. Now add one more effect, click on effect, go in the store. Now let it load for a second. Go on distortion and now install this wave wrap 2.0. Here I am installing, it's just 72 KB installed. Now go back and add wave wrap effect. Now decrease the size as we have done with the Gaussian blur. We have to disclose each character as it is disclosing by the animation. So here click on key option, go a few frames ahead. When the first character is disclosing, take the wave wrap effect onto that text. Now move one more frame ahead. Now move the effect to another character and do this until the animation finishes. Now when the animation is finished and the work is complete, I will give you a video link in the description. You need to add this onto your footage, and it is a animation of a flame going through the text. And now go in the blending and change the blending mode to screen, where I've to screen, and don't reduce the opacity. And you can also increase the size to match the text size. Here it is a little bit small, so I am increasing the size of this, and now it is perfect. Now only the last step is left, which is adding a sound effect. Now go in audio. Here I have downloaded an audio. Let's go and download another sound effect and apply it onto the clip. It will automatically sync with the video. And now you have finally created your effect. Now enjoy the result.